Alright guys, this is what you would need if there was a real zombie apocalypse. Like, if zombies were real, this is what you all need. These are like stuff you could put on a belt. All of these stuff are stuff you could put on a belt. And this is just a little gun. You will need a gun. This is not real, but like, you can make it real. Like, you can put something in there, and you can actually shoot. You can actually hurt somebody. This is just a really cool knife. It has a compass with fishing hooks in there. And this is just a little tool weapon. See, like, it has a saw, stuff like that, screwdriver. And this is another one. It's the same exact thing as this. And yeah, these are really cool knives and stuff. These are really nice. So, and this is a little walkie-talkie. This is illegal. This is
actually the walkie-talkie. This one, you messed up this one.
Yeah. This you could talk to the police and all that stuff, FBI.
Basically, this is a Marine scanner. You can talk to everybody. Police, FBI, everybody. You got a lot of channels.
Yeah. And this is just a really, really good flashlight. It's just a really good flashlight. This is just a little thing. It has 14 channels in it. And this, and this is another really, really good flashlight. These are all the cool nice. We have a really good collection.
This is one setup right here. This is one setup for zombie apocalypse. This is one setup right here. And this is a smaller setup if you got. This will tell you the weather news. It's a regular walkie-talkie. It's a 300 range. And you got this one. And then you got this will tell you the weather, whatever. And this is one setup right here.
These are things you could put on a belt.
Yeah.
These are really, really good things. You just put on a belt, so like if there was a real zombie apocalypse, like if you could go camping, you have a really...
This is some of the stuff you can use. We're having a lot of stuff. You see like this is a lighter and a light and it's a knife. Yeah. So for you won't carry a lot of weapons, a lot of stuff. You always gotta have like at least 3 different kind of guns. A regular pistol and maybe a shotgun or a machine gun or something.
Yeah. So yeah, these are all really good things. So like, you know how there's crazy people that think they're zombies and they eat other people, like that kind of stuff. If there's a whole bunch of crazy people, you have all these knives and stuff. You need a whole bunch of this stuff. So like, you could be chopping the zombies, and this can actually hurt somebody. You do this in the head, it can actually kill somebody. Yeah, these are all really good knives. This is a really big knife. It's really cool. And yeah, guys, these are my uncle's collection of all zombie apocalypse stuff. So subscribe to our channel, punch that like button, and bye-bye, people.